Okay, the next rule. Rule number 3. Okay, what is rule number 3? That is constant times a function. That if your function is multiplied with some constant, that constant can be positive, that constant can be negative, that constant can be in the fraction form, that constant can be in the root form. Okay, so if f of x is c times g of x, this function is any function, x square, x cube, x power 3 by 2, 1 over x, whatever it is. This function can be any function, and this c is a constant. C is a constant, and g g of x is a differentiable function. Means derivative of this function is possible. Whenever I said that differentiable function, that means that the derivative of this function is possible. So f prime x will be equals to c g prime x या g dash x. That means कि c आप कांस्टेंट है, आप इसको बाहर रख सकते हो एंड सिर्फ g का डेरिवेटिव ले सकते हो एंड इन द एंड यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ c. So this term same say this thing. Okay, let's suppose I have a function f of x is equals to 17x square, let's suppose. So in comparison to this, c is equals to 17 and g of x is equals to x square. We know that g prime of x is equals to 2x. So the f prime x can be written as c g prime x. What is c? C is 17, g prime x is 2x. Okay, I'm writing it in the bracket form, so I will multiply the 17 with 2. So what I get? 34x will be my answer. Up to me. Okay, see here. See one more example from here. Let's suppose I have f of x is equals to 5 over 3 x power 7. So here c is equals to 5 over 3, x g of x is equals to x power 7. I need the derivative of g, that is, sorry, forgot the right x power 7. That will be 7 because power have to drop, and then x power 6 because this power has to be minus 1 less than 1. So this one be 7 x power 6. So f prime x, that is c g prime x, will become c is 5 over 3 and this one is 7 x power 6. So that will become 35 over 3 x power 6. So that will be my answer. Okay, from both these terms, you came to know that whenever I have this type of thing, this power is multiplying with this coefficient. This power is multiplying with this coefficient. You can do it directly. You don't need to use this formula when you know that how is it going to happen. That this power is always multiplying with this coefficient. 17 into 2 is 34. Here, this power is multiplying with this power is multiplying with this coefficient. So you can see over here that 7 into 5 is 35 over 5, sorry, 35 over 3. And this x power 7 is x power 6. So you know that this power is multiplied with, always multiply with your coefficient. Rule number 4 is not that difficult. It says that, okay, name is sum or difference of function. You had done this type of question. For example, you have done this 3x square plus 8x type thing by limit approach or by finding the difference quotient thing. You have done this type thing. This is this rule that if your function f of x, if f of x is equals to u of x plus v of x, and u of x and v of x are differentiable, means derivative is possible. Okay, this can be written as plus minus. It can be u of x plus v of x, it can be u of x minus v of x. So f prime x, f dash x will be equals to u prime x plus minus v prime x. That means that you can take the individual derivative of these function. Taking this example, I have f of x, taking the same example, 3x square plus 8x, it will gives you, considering it that u is equals to 3x square and v of is x is equals to, this is u of x, this x just represent that it depends on x, is equals to 8x. So u dash is 3 into 2, 6x. Okay, since this is x squared, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this one is, that's why it is 1. V prime x is equals to just 8. Why? Because power is 1, 8 into 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. This one is just 8. So now my f prime x is equals to 6x plus 8. So hope you understand that you can take the derivatives of individual term. Taking one question as directly, let's have a question that is x cube minus 7x square plus 8. You can see there are three terms. You can take the derivatives of individual terms. That means that f prime x is, the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of this one is 2 will multiply with this constant and power will be subtracted from here. That will become minuses from the question. 7 into 2 is 14x power 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, and we know that the derivative of a constant is 0. So f prime x is equals to 3x square minus 14x. That will be your answer.